Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today, I'm going to microwave this dumbbell here. Yep, I know it's really light. But, before any of you go off spouting, "Oh, you're such a pussy, microwave a real wave, man." That is the biggest dumbbell that I could fit inside of that microwave. I originally was going to microwave that 60-pound dumbbell. Yeah, that's the fucking dumbbell I work out with. Now that that's out of the way, let's get microwaving this thing. What I predict's gonna happen is it might arc a little, but probably just a whole bunch of nothing. A couple LED lights that flew out that didn't explode. Now let's put the dumbbell into the microwave. Whoa. That is a snug fit. Do that so you can look at the 25 while it's being microwaved. Now turn off the lights for dramatic effect. Let's get started. Well, that sucked. I'm never doing something like that again. Now let's look at what I imagine will be a hot... It's not even warm. Did absolutely nothing. It didn't do jack shit. My God, Season 5's having a lot of stupid ideas. This is going to go into the stupid idea bin. I mean, it's just so incredibly stupid. It just... Nothing happened. Just sat that in there, and that's kind of what I predicted, that it wouldn't do shit in that microwave. I mean, that fucking thing, it just sat there, and it didn't do shit. Sorry for wasting your time, sorry for wasting everybody else's time, but at least now you have a definitive answer to the question, do you even lift, bro? Yeah, I lift 25-pound dumbbells into the microwave. Why? Because 40-pounders won't fit. So there's your final verdict. Stupid idea.